Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. In today's video we're going to show you how to firstly remove a Jaguar S-Type grille and then we're going to modify the grille and replace the vanes with a mesh insert. The mesh insert that we're using today only fits the grilles on Jaguar S-Types between 1999 and 2002. Once the grille has been removed, we cut the original vanes very carefully with a cordless grinder. We're then ready for the mesh insert. Lots of people are curious as to how you can remove the grille from a Jaguar S-Type. We're going to show you that easy procedure today. Some tools you might need, including a magnetic tray. Obviously need a bright light. You need a short extension, in our experience, with a T27 Torx bit. You need a 10mm deep socket, and it just makes it a lot easier if you've got a long extension, and a quarter drive ratchet. You don't want anything big because you can't get it in there. So let's go and get the grille off. I'll just show you where all these screws and bolts are. So as you can see from this video, that there, if you can see where my finger is, the light might be a bit bright, that is your 10mm screw bolt. And there's another 10mm screw bolt right across there as well. Let's just put the light there. Okay, let's just point out a little bit clearer for you. These are the 10mm screw bolts that you need to take out. There is two, one at either side there. Not these, because they're for the bumper. And then if we just have a quick look behind there, you'll see, if you can see, there is the T27 Torx screws there. And if you can see, another one is there. You need to take those out, and then the grille will pull straight off the front of the car. Right, there you go. There you can see the grille is now removed. And basically, that is all there is to it. Now, we have got to take the back of the grille off. We need to take these Torx screws out all the way around and take this piece of grey plastic away from the chrome finisher, which is at the front. Because what we need to do is the next step, basically, is to separate these two components from each other. We then have to cut the fins on the grille, the top and bottom, and remove them totally. And then the mesh grille, which we bought there, sandwiches between the chrome finisher and the metallic grey backing piece of plastic. Put the Torx screws back in again at the back. They helped sandwich the mesh in between. To refit the grille, it's just the reverse order of how we dismantled it. As you can see, this is all that you take out to remove the grille. There's your Torx screws, T27s and 10mm screw bolts. That's all there is to it. Okay, well, when we've fitted the mesh, we'll show you the finished result. Right guys, just to run through the tools again, just in case I wasn't clear before. These are the things that you'll need to make the job a bit easier. Now obviously we've got your T27 Torx bit and T10 Torx bit. Now the T10 Torx bit are for the screws at the back of the grille surround. Now we did have a few of those which were sort of rusty, so hence why we've got the cordless drill there, because we had to drill the heads off those Torx screws. hence why we've got the self-tapper set out, because we had to find a self-tapper to fit. So having a little self-tapper set like that for £5 or whatever they are is always handy anyway in your workshop. Once we drilled the heads off those torques, the T10s at the back of the grill surround, we just twisted the what was left of the threads out, ready for the self-tapper to go in. So you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a long extension, a short extension. The short extension you'll need when you go behind the grill to remove it or to refit it with the T27 Torx bits. Quarter drive ratchet, you'll need one of those really, because you can't really get anything much bigger than that in. Your torch is a godsend, because behind the grill when you're trying to fit it or remove it is just so dark you can't see anything. Magnetic tray is optional. That's again because we just don't want to lose any of the bits and pieces, because once you've taken all those screws out from the back of the surround, the T10s, there's quite a few of those. So really, to keep everything together, just get yourself a magnetic dish. So we've got to polish the grill surround up now with a machine, and detail the engine bay. And that is how you fit a mesh insert. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. Thanks very much for watching.